Hello guys, this is Vishal from Language Academy again over here. I have Manpreet with me. Now she got her desired score, guys. A very big achievement by Manpreet. She was aiming for 7 each because she needed to register in her nursing course, and then she was struggling a couple of times before as well before she came to us. But now this was a second attempt after practicing from here. She was able to crack it in the very desired manner, in a very professional manner. Now she got, guys, 7.5 overall scores. She was only aiming for 7 each, now with 8 each in speaking, guys. Now that is a very big achievement because she got a lot of feedbacks from all the experts over here, which helped her to get her desired score. But I want to ask from Manpreet itself, what were the main areas which helped her to get the desired score, and how did she able to crack this time? What was the main difference this time when she went to the exam, and what were the main areas which helped her to get her desired score? Manpreet, over to you, please.
Firstly, I would like to say thank you to all the trainers who helped me a lot, because they are very approachable and they are giving us one-to-one feedback, and the strategies are really helpful as well. And I was practicing at home, not much, but whatever they are giving us to do something that's really helpful for your exams. And I would suggest everybody, whoever is struggling like me, they have to come to the Language Academy and join here. Definitely you guys will get your desired score.
Thank you, Manpreet.
Thank you
now
so much.
You got 8 each in your speaking and all, and you got 77 in your writing as well. Very close, almost 8 as well in your writing as well. Now what were the main areas which helped you to get that good score in your speaking and also in writing?
Because they are marking our essays in the class, and if we are lack of something, they are just teaching us a lot, like you have to improve that area, so it's really helpful.
Thank you, Manpreet. Thank you. Now guys, yes, definitely, as Manpreet said, a lot of practice is done over here, and a lot of evaluation is given to the students, especially in your essay writing as well, where a lot of students struggle. But Manpreet got almost guys 8 in writing as well, with 7.5 in writing, actually 77 with 8 guys in speaking, and now she got 71 also in her listening as well. You were aiming for 65 only, and that's a very good achievement, very big achievement, I would say. Now congratulations to you, Manpreet, once again. You're now very close towards your success pathway, and you were trying to get this done from a long time, I know. And there were a couple of areas you were not able to resolve before going to the exam. Now thank you again, Manpreet. Thank you for sharing your story to the students out there, so they can also learn some valuable feedback from you. All right. Thank you, guys. If you need any help in terms of your PTE or NAATI, please contact us on the numbers given below, and we will be able to assist you in any means. Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much.